All right. I just want to look at gold. I know it's a terrible time to trade, but I feel like you still gotta flex a little muscle, just to work it out. So we're gonna look at the weekly time frame. Clearly, it's very bullish, very bullish. Let's mark this fair value gap there. Let's mark the highs and lows of last week. All right. So high, low. Make this green. Hit up the daily. Now daily tells a different story. Looks like bears are taking control. One, two, three, big ass candles, and it's low key kind of trading left and right at this point. Typically, when you're trading left and right, it's a sign of a reversal. High. This one was making higher lows though, and this one's kind of like, yeah, higher swing high, higher low, higher low. Go to the 4 hour. Oh, let me see. Oh, look at that. Got a nice little double top right here. I like that. Let's find a fair value gap to see where we can enter. I use my fair value gaps as like my zones and levels, to be honest. Let's get rid of this for right now. Alright, boom. Change this color to red. So now that we have our extension, we see where price rejected at before. Yeah, so this should be a solid short. If price can make his way back up here, it already tried. So yeah, that'll be my setup for this trade. Continuation on the overall trend of the daily, right? Boom, boom, boom. Retesting yesterday highs, or last week highs, which is these right here. I wonder if we can go a little deeper. Because sometimes, I mean, like I said, I like to use these fair value gaps, or whatever the fuck they're called, as entry points, especially if price reacts to it too. All right. And yeah, I do a complete top down analysis. So yeah, so that's it. I'm mark my. Y'all probably looking like, what the fuck is he talking about? There we go. That's pretty big, pretty wide. And I think we can retest the lows down here. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly that, but hear me out. Yeah, price reset. If price is making its way up on a weekly time frame, I'm just expecting this to be like a pullback, and I feel like it'll test this range down here before it'll make its way back up. So what I would like to do is catch that move, catch this big ass retracement, and then take advantage of this double bottom and wait till it make a lower low than these two to take out, stop losses and catch the momentum, and then it'll come back up. So it sounds crazy, but that's where I'm gonna stand on right there. Yeah, I think that's a good trade. Go for the short all the way down. And mind you, like Thursday, it's gonna be like a lot of news too, right? So Thursday is gonna be full of just news since we have the holiday tonight. And here, I'll just show you. What is it? My FX book. Where's the calendar at? There we go. Continue. Come on, my guy. So, X out of this. Sorry, I got another program up running. Economic calendar. You're gonna, where's the filter? Filter out the no and low. Apply. And so, yeah, look at all this news for tomorrow. So, I really wouldn't be surprised if price actually dropped down because of that. So, yeah, that's where I'm at for this trade. Mind you, I could be wrong. Most of us could be wrong, but that's just my assessment. Oh, I put my range thingy on there. Yeah, put it right there. So let's do this, right? Let's come over here. Boom. Let's change this to blue. Stop loss can be up in here. But yeah, that's all I got. I'll publish this chart and we can see how this fucking trade works. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.